There is noise everywhere. The noise of expectation. The noise of success. The noise that says be stronger, be harder, be more. The world is loud enough to make any man forget who he is, but life is more than noise. It's about discovering the harmonies within the noise, the subtle and quick pauses before the next bombardment. The quiet moments, the spaces between one responsibility and the next. That's where perspective returns. That's where friendship grows. That's where a man remembers who he is.
Okay. Let's go.
A healthy man isn't built only in life's defining moments, he's shaped in the moments between them. The moments that ask nothing of him except to be present, to look up, to breathe. To remember what matters. So find the pause. Find your true kin.
Jy moet ry sal, om die draad van my huis. Ek gaan my chom 'n bietjie